Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast, back again. Nice to meet you all. Here's the latest IKEA room set for February 2024. The poof being used as a side table here is incredibly cute, and it's actually seen a price drop in IKEA UK. The cushion covers lined up on this bed are new arrivals. They're colorful and adorable, aren't they? They're designed by Monica Mulder, who's behind some of IKEA's iconic pieces. I was also really impressed with these sheets. The pillowcases come with fringes, adding a hotel-like luxurious vibe. I found these artificial hydrangeas incredibly cute. However, items like these tend to sell out quickly. Today's video is all about introducing a bunch of new products, especially those that are likely to sell out fast. It's a common IKEA phenomenon where new items sell out almost as soon as they hit the shelves. There's also a new limited series out, which I've picked up a few items from to show you. Next up, I'll share some recent purchases that I've been really happy with. Thanks to a price adjustment, they've become even more affordable in some countries. Make sure to watch this video all the way through before you head to IKEA. First off, let me introduce this new lamp. I have a feeling it's going to be a sellout item. It's just so visually appealing. It looks like this and is incredibly easy to assemble. You practically just stick it together. Well, there's a bit of twisting involved. There's a compartment for batteries at the back. It's battery operated, but if you use rechargeable batteries, you can charge them right here with a USB Type-C cable. How convenient! The rechargeable batteries are sold separately, but IKEA's ladder batteries are quite affordable and highly recommended. The official website says it uses 3 AA batteries, but the manual I have says 2. I think there might be a mistake on the website, but don't quote me on that. It's IP4A4 rated, meaning it's water resistant to some extent and can be used outdoors. Isn't it just adorable? You can adjust the brightness in 2 levels by touching it. I absolutely love the pure white light it emits, and the gradient it creates when lit is just beautiful. It adds a modern touch that I find really appealing. Next up, it's not a new product, but I recently bought it and really wanted to share because it's been fantastic. It's a very popular candle designed by Ilsa Crawford. I bet many of you have been eyeing it. In February, it was on special at IKEA in Japan, so I picked it up. It's subtly pink, which is incredibly cute. The scent is fresh and gentle, but scent is such a personal preference, so I definitely recommend checking it out in store. Let me introduce another hugely popular item, the SKUBB, which has recently been discounted at IKEA UK. These boxes are designed for organizing drawers and are incredibly popular. So if you haven't got your hands on them yet, now is the perfect time to check them out. They're truly fantastic products. Simply zip them up to form a box, and when not in use, unzip them to lay flat. This set includes 6 boxes, making it super convenient for organizing drawers. For example, I use them for storing my stockpile of coffee, but they can be used for organizing anything within your storage spaces. In a previous video, I mentioned finding the cushion cover a bit too frilly, but seeing it used as a bed pillow in store gave me a great idea. It looks adorable and just the right size for that purpose. A fantastic idea, I thought. This is an IKEA desk that features adjustable height and even allows for the tabletop to be tilted like this. Additionally, it comes equipped with IKEA's popular pegboard on the front, making it a desk packed with functionality. The plant stand series is quite popular, and they've just released a new plant mover, which I had to buy. The gray plant stand is also new and super cute. I'm considering buying it. For now, I've picked up the plant mover, which was easy to assemble and is very stable with lockable casters. It was a bit painful. This tray, with its beautiful steel texture, is incredibly handy for smoothly moving large pots around. You can also place the tray upside down, allowing you to put items larger than its edges on it. It has a maximum load capacity of 35 kilograms. I'm not entirely sure why, but it seems like a great spot for placing humidifiers or other household appliances. Since the casters come with locks, it's a good idea to lock them in place when you don't want it to move. I've also noticed a lot of new pot covers which are incredibly cute. I've previously shared how pot covers can be used for storage, and I've received a lot of great ideas from you all, like using a small pot cover as a coffee spoon stand. These new blue and red colors are just lovely. There's a new gardening-focused limited series out, featuring not just wood and white, but also cute colors. I find this series really charming, with adorable watering cans and pots. Are any of these catching your eye? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. I bought a couple of items from this series, including a simple cross-stand plant stand made of beautiful bamboo. It's larger than what you might find in other stores and adds a nice touch of height and charm to your space. I also went for something a bit larger, which I found incredibly cute right from the start. The quality is fantastic, and it fits together perfectly, offering great stability. It's not assembled here, but it clicked into place perfectly afterward. Allowing you to place greenery at eye level, enhancing its presence. The hanging planta has been around for a while and is a popular item. It's incredibly cute and surprisingly affordable. Lastly, I want to recommend a new pruning shear, now available in a gray-blue color. I already own one in a different color, recommended by a gardening enthusiast friend. It's very sharp and easy to use with a handy lock feature. The branches here are from an app where I buy flowers, a set of spirea and cherry blossoms. I'll leave the app details in the description. In the next video, I plan to introduce some lighting and other items. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing.